Hello and welcome to the XyPro how-to video series. In this video we will walk you through the installation process for XYGATE Merged Audit, XMA, and XYGATE Transaction Router, XTR, using the IWIZARD auto install script. As a part of the security bundle from HPE, everything you need is already on your NonStop server. XMA is a comprehensive security audit solution that enables you to meet security, audit, and compliance requirements across your entire HPE NonStop network. XMA collects, merges, filters, normalizes, and writes NonStop audit data to a single NonStop SQL MP database. The XYGATE Transaction Router client-server infrastructure sets the foundation for XYGATE GUI applications. Many of the XYGATE products offer simple, easy-to-use graphical user interfaces known as GUIs. XTR allows the GUIs to interact with the NonStop. Let's get started. Start a tackle session. We will be using outside view to access our NonStop. Log on as the user that you want to install XMA and XTR with. We recommend using the Security Admin ID. You will need to have access to or know the password for the chosen installation ID. Select the disk you would like to use for preparing your XMA and XTR installation. Fupdup $system.z XyPro to your preparation location. The file we are interested in is IXYBin. Type obey IXYBin and press enter to unpack the installation files. Once this unpacking is complete, enter run IWIZARD. In order to complete the installation, you will need access to Super. To continue the installation of XYGATE Merged Audit, you must have permission to create an SQL catalog. XYGATE Transaction Router, XTR, will be required for all XYGATE GUI products. The IWIZARD auto install script will need to install XTR prior to installing XMA. Next, you will be prompted to choose the volume and subvolume you would like to install XTR on. The default will be $system for the volume and XYGATE TR for the subvolume. XMA will also prompt to choose the volume and subvolume you would like to install on. The default will be $system for the volume and XYGATE MA for the subvolume. After choosing the location XMA will be installed, you must choose the location of where the database will be installed. The IWIZARD auto install script will select the current volume you are installing on by default. IWIZARD will automatically choose a process name that is not currently being used. By default, only the user that is installing by IWIZARD and Super will have access to the GUIs. Here you can enter additional users or aliases to give them authorization. This can be changed later. XTR requires a port in order for the GUIs to connect to the XTR installation. Enter the port number here. The default is a port that is currently not being used. As mentioned earlier, in order to finish the installations, you must log on to another tackle session as Super and enter the license command on screen. We are using XAC for an audited Super session. Return to your tackle session that is running the installation. Copy the run command that is displayed on screen. And then paste the command in the Super session. Press enter to run the command and license XMA and XTR. Once the files are licensed, type Y to finish your installation. By default, XMA will enable a mover to start running and collecting audit data at midnight, the day of the installation. You may now choose to start the XYGATE listener. This will allow XYGATE GUIs to connect to the port that you chose earlier. This completes your installation of XMA and XTR using the IWIZARD auto install script. The next steps will be to check that our movers and the listener process are configured and working properly. We will do this by using the XMA Manager macro. Visit our other videos to see the benefits of the XyPro products.